All right. Now, Treasure, I want you to go back to last week's code. I want you to go back to your own code, the last class. Can you find the code on the last class, your own? Is that your
Yes.
own? Okay, good. Now, can you explain this code? I want you to explain it to me.
Can explain is the say that we should enter a number. So when we have entered a number, you enter
Yes.
another number. And when you have entered the other number, then they show you this the number that is right, that is I, plus the other number that is right, that is equals to J. That thing is I plus J equals to then your answer. That's how we do.
Okay.
Then the other
Okay.
one is minus. Then the last one,
Mm-hmm.
the other one is times, and this one is
Okay.
division.
Okay. All right. Thank you. That's a good attempt. Now, I want to ask you another question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is my question. Somebody wants you to write a code that will ask for the age of you and your two sisters. Okay? Now, how many prompts will we need?
Many words.
How many prompts? How many? Okay, let me start with the variables first. How many variables will we need?
Variable, variable 1 and 2.
No, I don't agree. Did you understand my question? Treasure, did you understand my question? Okay, let me explain it again. I want you to listen carefully. In this program that you wrote last week, how many
Yes.
variables did you use?
4.
Are you sure? Look at it very well. How many variables did you use?
1, 2, 2.
That's better. Two. What are they? I and J, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, I want to add, imagine, I want to add Faith's age, I want to add Favor's age, and I want to add your age together. How many variables will I need?
6. That's 2 variables
You are still saying
plus
two.
6.
You are still saying two. And you don't understand my question. I want to add Faith's age. I want to add, listen, Faith's age. I want to add Faith's age. I want to add Favor's age. I want to add your age together. I want to add three of them together. How many variables will I need?
3.
How many?
3.
That's better. Why do I need three?
Because you added 3 persons age.
That's better. All right. So can you write that program for me? Can you write a program for me that will
Where?
say, please enter your age. Instead of please enter a number, it will say, please enter your age. And it will do that 3 times with 3 different variables and then add it and then show me the answer on the screen. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your time starts now. Go ahead.
Write it on the screen.
Yes, do it in a separate tab. If you want to copy and paste, you can copy and paste, but I want to see a program that can ask 3 people for their ages and add it up. And your time has started ticking. You have 15 minutes to do that.
Okay, sir. Please, can you help me to please, 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 please?
Treasure, what are you looking for? What do you need from them? You should be able to do this by yourself.
I think she should help me to sharpen this. This pencil, not even sure.
You've already opened a new tab now. Treasure, what's the problem? Treasure, what's the problem?
It's Faith.
What did Faith do?
You don't want to help me to sharpen my pencil.
But you don't need your pencil for this now. Treasure, you don't need your pencil for this. You can write down what you did later, not now. Can you just put your pencil aside? You don't need your pencil right now, okay? Don't cry. Don't allow her make you cry. We are not that's not what you don't need the pencil for now. Just start doing the code. Don't worry, she'll help you. If she doesn't want to do it for you, Favor will do it, okay? Treasure, I will advise that you use 2 hands to type so that you'll be faster. Your 15 minutes, you've already started using it. You've already used 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes.
What's title?
The title is Treasure. You start with Treasure, finding the sum of ages. Treasure, finding the sum of ages. You've not closed your title. It's still open, or you need to close that title. It's still open before you start typing your name and all that. Yes. Not correct. Correct. Okay. Treasure, finding the sum of ages. Treasure, finding the sum of ages. Finding. Yes, look at the word there. Finding is there. Correct. Good.
Finding what?
The sum. S-U-M. The sum. The T-H-E. That, yeah, exactly. That's the one I meant. The sum. S-U-M. The sum of ages. Correct. Ages. Yeah. Okay. Good. Oh yeah. You know what to do. Close your title and then keep moving.
No title.
Yes, you're done with title. Good. Keep going. Keep going. You have a lot to do. Go
Title
ahead.
is what?
Is that a question for me? Treasure. Are you asking me? Why
No.
not check your book? Check your book.
Script.
Check your book.
Script. Script. Done. Then after script, enter.
So you now know what to do.
That is making a red line.
Because that is not the spelling of script.
Oh, I forgot one letter. That's T.
Exactly. Correct. Is that correct? You've put a space that was not there. Are you sure that space is good? You need to delete that space and type the correct thing. I think you went and pressed backspace instead of delete. Treasure, you should know the difference between delete and backspace by now.
Delete.
That means you have to type it all over again.
That was script.
Yes, so over to you. This is the real part. Create the 3 variables and use your prompt and do them quickly.
You make?
You do your 3 variables now.
You do
I thought you said that we will need 3 variables. So go ahead and do the 3 variables.
Should I write enter your name?
Of course now. Your age, not name. Age.
I said age.
Okay, I thought you said name. It's age. Treasure. I'm not sure that's what we did last class. Please, if you have forgotten how last class looked, go back and look at it. That's not what we did in last class. You start with the variable name first. Treasure. You should know that, please. Go back to the code for last class. Look at it well.
What's our variable name?
Anything you want. If you want to call it faith age, call it favor age, call it treasure age, anything you want to call it. Just make sure that you stick to it. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And make sure that the same way you spelled it is the same way you spell it all through your program. If you change the spelling by mistake, JavaScript has forgotten about it. I'm telling you, there will be an error. So make sure you spell it the same way. So go ahead. Have you seen your var keyword? Have you seen the var keyword? var, V-A-R.
Yeah.
Good. So if you don't start it like that, there will be an error. You must start with var. Okay. Then you tell us the name of the variable. Can you see what I'm marking as red?
Yes.
So you need to have all those things in your program before you now come and say, please enter your age. You still have a lot to type before you type that. So go ahead. Go back to your code for today and do the right thing. Well done. You're doing well so far. But it looks like your 15 minutes, you will soon finish using it. Keep going, keep going. Go back to your work for today and continue, now that you have seen the correct thing.
I can't see it.
It's the next one after where you are, the next one to the right. No, to the right. It's not there, not there. Keep going. Yes. No, the next one. No, not this one. Yes, that one. Good.
What should I? Oh, I should write GR.
Yes.
That would be hard.
Yes. So what's the name of your variable? I told you that you can choose anything you want. Just make sure you stick to it. You want to use capital letter for your variables? Okay. It's your choice. So important thing is that if you use capital letter, you must use capital letter all through for your variable names. Of course, that's what I meant. Okay. So this variable is for you, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Put your equals to and continue. You have forgotten how it looks. If you have forgotten how it looks, go back and look at last week's code quickly.
After Google, that we now write what is your age?
Treasure. Is that what you saw in your own? Is that what you saw in the code that you did last week? You have forgotten that there's something called eval. Can you see what I'm pointing at? You have forgotten that you have parentheses here after the eval. You have forgotten that you have prompt after the parentheses. You have forgotten that you have another parenthesis here. Yeah, before you now start talking about the quotation mark, then you can now say, please enter your age. You've forgotten all those things. Oh yeah, quickly, go and do it in your code for today. Quickly. Have you seen how it looks? Treasure, have you seen how it looks?
Yeah. What we say?
Good.
Sir.
Yes.
You do? Okay, cool.
Go ahead, Treasure. You don't have time. Your 15 minutes is going.
Eval.
Yes, correct. Parentheses. Good. Prompt. I think that's the next thing.
Eval prompt.
No, that's not the spelling of prompt too. You are going to have an error. That's not the spelling of prompt. Better. Choose the one that is there now, the middle one. Yes. Oh yeah, put your parentheses there. Which one is for? What is for your?
I don't like it. It's the script that writes it.
It's you that mistakenly chose it. Oh yeah, put your parentheses there quickly. Shift 9. Shift 9. Oh yeah, put your quotation mark and start typing whatever you need to type. Mark. Yes, quotation marks. Shift 2.
Shift 2.
I don't know how it is on your keyboard though. Okay, all right. So start typing. This one is for you, right? Okay, so you are going to say, please enter your age, Treasure. That's what you type here. Or go ahead and type that. Please enter your age, Treasure.
No, it's not Treasure. It's
What did you use?
Grace.
Grace is your other name, right?
Yep.
Okay. Go ahead. Just say, please enter your age, Grace.
Please.
Treasure, are you using your 2 hands to type?
And enter your name. I'm done my finger.
You've done it?
Yes, sir.
You want to put a capital G for your name in the one between the quotation mark? Go ahead and put a capital letter G. Okay. Now, okay, you want to do that for the other one too? You can leave the one for the variable name so that you don't have to be always capitalizing all the time. Okay, you've already done it. Go ahead. Put your quotation mark. And go ahead now. Have you put your quotation mark? No, not there, not there.
Where?
At the end now, you've forgotten. Okay, then close your parentheses. Is that the correct thing that should be there? You're not done, Treasure. You're supposed to close it 2 times before you put semicolon. And that's not the right distance to use. It's Shift 0 you should use. Put your semicolon quickly. That semicolon. No, I don't agree. That is not semicolon, madam. Better. Now, do the same thing for faith and favor. If I were you, I'll copy and paste. Highlight everything that you have typed now. Copy and paste and change them quickly. You remember how to highlight?
Yeah.
That's good. Go ahead.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Do you remember the shortcut for copy? You don't? Okay. Have you seen that key that says CTRL? Have you seen that key?
Yes.
CTRL.
Yes.
The same way you hold down Shift.
See what?
CTRL. Let me write it on the screen. Hold on. Let me write it on the screen for you. Are you seeing the screen? CTRL. Have you seen any key that has that thing on it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, the same way you hold down Shift before you press 0, that's the same way you're going to hold down CTRL before you press letter C on the keyboard. So go ahead and try it.
CTRL. After pressing it is what?
C. Look for the key C. Have you done that? Have you done that?
Oh, yeah.
Have you done that? You did not highlight it. Highlight it before you press CTRL and then press C. Good, you have highlighted. I didn't say you should delete it, madam. Press Ctrl Z. Don't worry. Press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Thank you. Oh yeah. Now press Ctrl C. Ctrl C.
So,
Highlight it. Then yes. You can do it. Go ahead. You can do it. Highlight
do
it.
we
Press.
write enter where you are done? Highlighting.
I didn't hear what you said. What did you say?
I said, should we write press enter where we're done writing where we're done highlighting?
No, don't press enter. Press Ctrl C. If you press enter, it will delete what you just typed now. So press Ctrl C. So you shouldn't have pressed it. Press Ctrl C. Ctrl C. CTRL. Then letter C. Have you done that?
Yes.
Now, that place that you started highlighting, click on it. Let the highlight clear. Click on it. Let the highlight clear.
Yeah,
no,
clear.
You are not in the right place. Move your cursor to after the semicolon. Yes, correct. Good. Now you can now hit enter. Hit enter. Good. Now press Ctrl V. Ctrl V. Good. Now change all the things you need to change. You're excited, eh? I can see your excitement. Don't do it more than once. Oh yeah, Ctrl Z. Okay, you're deleting it already. Go ahead. Be careful so that you don't go and delete what you need. Okay. Good. Well done. All right. Now change the second one to either faith or favor.
We need one more.
Yes, one now. It has to be one for you, one for favor, one for faith.
D. Favor.
I think you are right in your spelling of favor. Don't use the one that the system is giving you. Use your own spelling. It's correct. That's the British English spelling. If you use the other one, it's American English. Well done. You are doing well. You are doing well. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. But you are using one hand to type. I keep telling you that using one hand to type will slow you down. It will slow you down a lot. Oh yeah, do the same thing you did for the other one. You click after the cursor. Put your cursor here is good. Now hit enter and do Ctrl V again. Put your cursor. No. What did you now do? Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Don't mess it up. Yes. Oh yeah, hit. You can hit enter now. You can hit enter now. Hit enter. Good. Now do Ctrl V again. Ctrl V. V. Ctrl V. Good. Now change that last one, that third one rather, to faith. That's the third variable for faith. You remember you said we need 3 variables, right?
Yeah.
That's good. So go ahead and change. Hey, you're deleting the wrong thing. Oh. You should be deleting your name and then changing it to faith.
Halt.
Yes, that is one part. You've not finished. No. See, Treasure, you have to get used to this thing. You have to know when to use backspace and you have to know when to use delete. Okay? Get used to it. Okay? If you are using this is, I'm sure you are using a Windows system. So this is not a Mac system. In Apple systems, you don't have delete, but this is Windows, so you should be able to use both keys very well.
I don't have it in my own laptop.
You do. You just don't know where it is. If you look, that place where you have backspace, just look above it. You will see delete. So let me show you what you do. Next time, when you want to delete something, can you see this thing? Now don't touch your key. Just look at the screen. Don't touch anything. Can you see this thing that looks like an eye? Can you see it? Look at what I'm pointing to. Can you see that thing that looks like an eye? Don't touch your keyboard though. Can you see it? Treasure, can you see it? Good. That thing is called a cursor. Anything that is in front of that cursor, what I mean by in front, to the left of the cursor, this is the left-hand side of your cursor. Anything that is on the left-hand side, for you to delete it, you can use backspace. But anything that is on the right-hand side of the cursor, for you to delete it, you can, if you use backspace, you will mess up. You have to use the key called delete. Have you seen the delete key so that you can use it next time? You've not. Look at the keyboard. Stop shaking your head. Look at the keyboard. You see it. Look at where you have backspace. Just above it, you will see delete. Have you seen it? You've not seen it. Look very well. The first line of keys, look to the extreme left. Maybe that your keyboard looks slightly different from mine.
Next to
Have you seen delete now?
Is it next to F12?
Yes, next to F12, yes. Have you seen delete?
Is PRSCIN?
Yes, good. After that one, what's the next one? After F12. After F12, what's the next one?
DELETE.
That's delete now. See this girl. What do you think that is? What do you think that word is? It's delete.
I thought
you thought it was what? You thought it was what?
I thought it was backspace.
No, backspace is there. Backspace does a different thing from delete. Okay.
But
all right. So
press delete as if it was backspace.
Oh, really? They are different. Yes. So you need to learn how to use it. All right. So now you know what to do, right? Move your cursor after the semicolon and hit enter so that you go to the next line. Yes, there. Oh, yeah, hit enter. So you remember what we are trying to do, right? We want to find the sum of their ages. So you know we actually need one more variable, right? We need one more variable, don't you think so?
Nope.
You don't think so? We need one more. Let me tell you what that one more is for. That one more is for the sum of your ages. So go ahead, create another variable called sum. Hello?
Yes.
Create another variable called sum. Stop playing with the camera. Create another variable called
the camera.
You know what I'm talking about. Create another variable called sum. Treasure, you are wasting time. Create another variable called sum. Really? You start with the keyword var, please. You don't just say sum, var, sum. Good. Nice job. Oh yeah, keep going, keep going. SUM. Sum.
I'm always using it for S.
Why? You should know where S is. S is right beside A. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. Now press your equals to. Okay. Then you know what to do, right? Oh yeah, addition, quickly. Add the variables. Add all the variables, the 3 variables, quickly.
That's 10.
Yes. Which kind of 10? Look at this girl. Oh. The 3 variables that you created, use it.
Okay.
Right. So I want you to pretend that this program doesn't know that Faith's age is 10. Okay. Let's use it as if it doesn't know. Do you understand? So what are you going to do there? You type Faith, that's the name of the variable containing Faith's age, plus favor plus grace. So go ahead.
Faith.
Put a space. Put a space. Put a space before you put plus. Is that plus? Yes. Now put plus there.
Plus.
Good. Put another space. Then put favor.
Space. Plus. F. A. B. O. U. R.
Okay. Put another space and then put your plus.
Plus.
Is that plus?
Shift plus. What?
Huh? You're not pressing your shift.
Then I leave it at plus.
No, you have to press the shift long enough before you press that key. If not, it will. Oh yeah, quickly. We don't have time. Type your name. Let's move. Great. Okay. Nice job. Put your semicolon.
Put your what?
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yes. Good. Now hit enter. Which one will you like to use? Will you like to use alert or document.write? Which one would you like to use?
Anyone you choose.
Okay, you're putting it back to me. You
Yeah,
want me to choose for you?
Yes.
Okay, I use alert. You like alert, right?
But it's shadow.
You like alert? You don't like alert? Okay, use document.write since that's the one you like.
Oh.
But you must type it correctly. Oh. Look at her. It's alert that you like. Use it now. You are not on the line. No. You have to hit enter before you start typing that. Okay, so when you're after you're done typing the alert, put your, you know what to do, right? Why are you shaking your head, for goodness sake?
No.
Oh yeah, go and look at your last week's code quickly. I'm not going to tell you. Go and look at last week's code. Oh yeah, what's the next thing after typing alert? Have you seen it? All right, go ahead and type it. It's what?
plus J equals to.
No, we can't do that. We can't use exactly the same thing. Please, we're doing a different thing. You can't go and be using information from another program in a new one. So just take note of the parentheses. Go back and do your own. Do it in your today's own quickly.
Where we should do.
You are not paying attention. Put your parentheses, shift 9. This is what you are supposed to put in between the parentheses.
Where?
Just hold on, it's going to show very soon. Can you see what's on the screen now? Treasure, can you see what's on the screen?
The sum of their age is equals to plus sum.
What is that plus doing there? Can you tell me? What is that plus doing there? Yes. What is it doing?
Don't know.
You don't know. So, Treasure, you've forgotten what that plus is doing. That plus is what joins it together. If you remove that plus now, it's not going to work. It's supposed to join it together. Do you understand?
When?
Just watch. Can you see this? The sum of their ages is
Yes.
all that thing that is between the quotation mark. Do you know that if the thing between the quotation mark, look at my screen, look at your screen. Can you see what I've underlined?
Yes, sir.
All that stuff needs to be joined to what is inside sum. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that plus is what joins them together. That plus joins them. Okay? You know what it means to join something? Eh? Treasure.
Huh?
Do you know what it means to join something together?
That's to plus something together.
No. To
To
join
plus,
something together.
to add.
No, not to add. To join something together. Let's say you had a rope, right? You tied a rope to your hand. Then you tied another rope to Faith's hand. Then you now tie those two ropes together. You have joined your hands together. Do you understand? Do you understand what I just explained?
Sir.
Good. That is the meaning of it. Good. So that's the meaning of that plus. Oh yeah, go ahead and type what you see on the screen. Don't go and type the join. No. Let me remove it before you go and type it by mistake. Please only type what is here. Oh. Don't go and type joins. Okay?
Okay. Um, um,
Treasure, use both hands to type.
egg.
There should be a space between there and ages. So you need to put that space there. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Close your parentheses, put your semicolon, and continue your page. Treasure, I'm waiting for you. You did not close your parentheses. Close your parentheses before you put your semicolon. That's what I said. All right, hit enter and continue your page. So you know what to do. Close script and other and continue. Treasure, what are you looking at?
Nothing.
/ script. Quickly, go ahead.
Yeah. Forward.
/ script. What are you waiting for, Treasure? Are you aware that you have used 15 minutes and you have even exhausted it? Please finish your page quickly. Let's move on to something else. No. A script before head, Treasure. A script before head. Look at your book very well. If that's not what is in your book, then that means it's wrong.
I don't write what you say.
Is that the spelling of script?
Yeah. Nope. Let's be.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're almost there. You're almost done. Keep going.
Pansi. Padi pala padi. Padi.
I think that should be on the next line. It shouldn't be on that same line. Move it to the next line, please.
How?
You forgot to. Yes, so please delete that body that is there. Or hit, put your cursor there, then hit enter. Good, better. Good. Which color do you want to use? What color do you want to use, Treasure?
I think color. 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 I've used all the colors, but there's one color.
Which color is that?
Guess it.
Which color is that? Red? Okay, you've not used red. Okay. All right, go ahead. Go ahead and use color red.
Yo, bite.
Is that how to do body? I think you have made a mistake somewhere. Fix that. No. Wrong. You are still deleting the wrong thing. Okay. Fix it. Okay. All right. So you don't want to put anything in between there. You don't want to put anything there.
Where?
Before that closing for body, before that / body. You don't want to put anything there. You can put the same thing you have in your title there now.
I don't want to. I don't want.
You don't want? Oh yeah, go ahead now. Go ahead. /HTML.
T.
/HTML.
Hold. No. Hold. T. L. L. Close bracket. Yeah. Don't write it.
Save your work and test it quickly. Where is she going? Save your work and test it.
Should I press save or save as?
Anyone will work.
Save. I'll choose save.
Okay. What are we going to call it? Treasure finding ages. Treasure finding ages.html.
Huh?
Okay, what do you want to call it?
I want to just call it
You're thinking. Okay, let me give you a name you can call it.
It's not every time I'm using my name.
I am now.
It's not Grace, not Treasure. There's one name I have not used.
No, don't worry. It's not compulsory that you must use your name. So call it finding age sums.html. You understand? I think that's simple enough, right?
Yes. Fine. Finding. Finding.
Can you see what I wrote there? You can use it. You can use the one I did. I didn't put any space in between. Finding age sums.html.
Why do you not put space?
Well, it's better. Sometimes the page will not have a space name, so it looks shorter.
But I want space.
Okay, go ahead and put space.
A-T.
But remember, don't put any space after the last word. So you must put sums.html. Do you understand? So that it doesn't give you error.
Dot.
Yes, .html.
Hole. T.
Why are you putting it in capital letter? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It will still work. I don't know whether you're trying to test it. It will still work. Click save and open your file. Let's take a look.
You see, I press all five.
I didn't hear what you said. Minimize. Minimize, minimize, minimize. Minimize it now.
I've minimized.
Yeah. Have you seen it? Have you seen the one that you just created? Look at it there.
Yes.
Right click. Remember to right click. Open with. Right click. Open with. Pressure. Are we still talking about right clicking today? You don't know how to right click.
He's doing circle.
He's doing circle. What does that circle mean? What did you do, madam? Go back to your this thing. Yes. Okay, good. Open with Google Chrome. Well done. That means you did it well.
Fine. This. I need to do. Please enter your name, Grace.
Hey, you said please enter your name. Is it not age you should have said? This girl, you went and put name there. It's
I don't
supposed to
say
be.
name, I said Grace, name, age.
Go and check your code. Are you trying to tell me that your code changed by itself? You mistakenly put name. Don't argue. I just type the age. We know what it wants. Type age. Then we'll go back and change it after running it this first time.
7. Okay. No, not 10. Okay.
Is that correct? Hmm? Excitement galore. Okay. So go back and fix your code. Change that name to age quickly. Then you go and call Faith for me.
Okay, sir. So I'm not doing no.
You said?
It is not doing.
What do you mean it's not doing?
It is not pressing. I mean, when I'm pressing it, it's not cornering.
What happened? Double click. Did you close it? You only minimize now.
Yes?
You only minimize. You have forgotten. You minimized. Go back and just click on it. It's still open. Okay. Have you seen where age name should be age? Yes. Okay. So fix it. Careful.
Last one.
I think you put too much space there. Don't you think you need to fix that space? You didn't put space in the right place. So fix it. Yes. Then reduce that space there after age. Yeah, you can use delete now. Press delete. Press delete, madam. Look at this girl. I said press delete. You went and you are still using. Good. You've done it. Well done. Reduce that space between. Okay, you've not put anything there. So put age and close up the space.
Yeah, do that.
Done?
Yeah, minimize.
Okay.
Please come. Come down here. Come to my comfort. Come down right here.
Faith, are you ready?
This favor.
Hmm?
This favor.
I said Faith, not favor.
Faith.
Where is
Maybe
Faith?
is calling you. Is you know me? Me that did last time was me that was facing that class.
Does she want you to go first?
You want me to go first? Yes. She said yes.
Okay. All right. So, Favor, this is what you are going to do for me. There's from the last class. Can you open your code from the last class? Go ahead and open your code from the last class. It's already open. Just click on that notepad there. She only minimized it. I think it's going to show. She minimized it.
This Faith Treasure's own.
I know now. So look at the tabs. You will see your own.
She wrote my name.
And that was her task. She was doing a classwork. So go and look for your own from last week.
Okay, sir.
Have you seen it? Okay. All right. So, from last week, you used a function called math.pow, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you still remember how to use it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to teach you a new function today, but you're going to do something for me with it. It's called math.sqrt. What do you think that function will do for you? Math.sqrt. What do you think it will do?
I've never heard about that.
Think about it now. Think. I want you to think. SQRT. It's a math function. What does it remind you of? SQRT.
Square.
Square? No, try again. Is there any T in square?
Square. Sir, can you repeat it again?
Try again. SQRT. SQRT.
SQRT. Square.
Okay. Square
Roots.
Thank you. Correct. So that's what it will do for you. Well done. Okay. So now SQRT is the name of the function. Okay. So I'm going to just explain what it does, but you're going to write the program that will use it. Now, you see, math.pow takes two things, right? It takes two variables. It takes M and N separated by a comma, right?
Yes.
Good. But this SQRT only takes one, and it makes sense, isn't it? It doesn't need two. Yeah, if, for instance, they will say find the square root of 9. Do you need to say find the square root of 9 and anything? No, you don't. So SQRT only takes what? One argument or one variable, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now your job is to write a program that will ask the user to enter a number and then tell the user the square root of that number using document.write. So you have 10 minutes to do that. You are free to copy and paste and change things the way you want. But you're going to use the SQRT function.
I said I don't understand anything about it.
You don't understand what? I just explained to you now.
Yes.
The name of the function is math.sqrt. Yes. I said you can copy and paste, so you can go and use the source code from your last class and copy and paste.
everything to see, then I will go to, then I'll do control B. So I'll just need to change this. Please enter a number.
So what would you like to do now? Do we need two variables? I think we only need one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what would be the name of your variable?
My name of the variable is going to be duck.
Now, whatever you call your variable, make sure you stick to that name. I don't know why you want to call a variable duck, but well, your variable name needs to be meaningful. Why are you deleting document.write? You need document.write now.
Okay. Only write this, then I'll change it.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Don't forget your equals to between the name of the variable and the eval on the first line of code. Yes, don't forget that equals to there, which I told you the correct name is actually assignment operator. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Change your PAL to SQRT. Okay. Yes.
So we should change. So what should I write then if there are two?
Okay. Okay, so what you should write is, okay, so now this is what you want to do. I'm going to use your variable name and write it like that. So what should be in between there is the square root of, okay, so the square root of should be in quotation marks. So you don't need any variable before that raised to power. So you can delete that m and plus. Delete the m and plus. Yes, you don't need it. Okay, so now that place where you have raised to power, you can go ahead and say the square root of
The
square
square
root of
root of.
Good. Now, can you see in between those two plus, there's a plus after the quotation mark where you have there. There's another plus. So put your duck right there in the middle.
Okay. E-O-R-K.
Yes, that's it. Okay. So what else do you want to change? Do you want to change anything? Favor learning math.sqrt function in the body. Yes, exactly. You can also change the title too. Go ahead. So change title, then change the body.
Q-R-T.
Yes.
The body. Favor learning.
No, not there, not there, not there. In the body, yes.
S-Q-R.
No, not SQU, SQRT. Yes, okay. All right, do you want to change the font family?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you want to change it to? It was under edit. You saw it. Yes, not file, not file.
Fonts. So I'm going to go and change it.
Okay. You want to change it to century?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see how it will look. Okay. So you can go ahead and save your work. Let's go test it. Yes, we are done. So go ahead, save your work. Let's test it. You said what?
I said this is so short. Say, editing it.
Okay. So that's the advantage of doing a copy and paste. If you were to type it all over again, it would have taken you longer, you understand? That's the reason why Treasure
Yes.
took it from that time. Don't forget to change your save as type to all files. Now, your file name should be something that looks like what you've already called it what? Oseka. Don't close it to minimize. Okay. So have you seen it? Yes. Right click, open with Google Chrome.
Computer.
Okay. So remember to use numbers that you know their square root to. So what do you want to test? What number do you want to test? The square root of 10. Do you know the square root of 10? Are you for real?
Yes, sir.
You know the square root of 10? Hmm?
No, wait. 9 is a square.
Thank you. So what's the square root of 9?
3.
Okay. Now, do you like how your work is looking? It looks like the 9 is and 3. They are squashed. Do you want to space it out in your code? Do you know how to do that?
I
Do you know how
think
to do that?
no,
You like it like that?
yes.
Okay. All right. Do you have any questions? Hmm? I noticed that even after teaching people how to create new colors, you could still like using simple colors like yellow and green and red.
Yellow. You like yellow?
You don't like it?
Yes.
So why don't you use other colors? Anyway, maybe in our next class, I'll give you a chance to choose other colors, but you can call Faith for me.
Thanks. 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 I can help you.
Faith, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. All right, so let's you can go to Notepad. We want to just learn another math function today. Have you seen Notepad? Go to Notepad. It's down there. It's minimized. You don't need to search for it. It's minimized there. Yes. Okay. All right. So hold on. I taught Favor about the SQRT function. I want you to take a look at it. Go to Favor's code, the code that was there. The last one before the one you just opened. That's Favor's phone. Yes. No, the last one before you just opened. Yes. Okay. I want you to look at it carefully. Can you see what's happening in the script side? She created a variable called doc, asked the user to please enter a number using a val prompt. Then on the next line, she used document.write to say the square root of, then she combined the content of doc with is, and then combined it with math.square root. That SQRT is short for square root. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you're going to do is something slightly different. So we'll still use the square root function, but this time we're going to do something that's slightly different.
Did I say yes?
Now I said that we're going to do something slightly different.
Okay.
All right. So go ahead and if you want to do a copy and paste, you can do a copy and paste so that it won't take long for you to change it. All right.
Don't pack my laptop for me.
Okay. So Faith, I want you to listen to your own. In your own, you're going to ask the user to enter a number, and then you're going to ask the user to enter another number. Did you get that?
Thank you, sir.
Then that place where Favor wrote the square root of, what you're going to write there is the sum of their square roots is. Did you get that?
Okay, yes, sir.
All right. So you're going to, in other words, you're going to find the sum of their square root. So that means you will need 3 variables. So I don't know if you want to still use the variable name that Favor used, or you want to create your own variable name.
I know you Favor's name.
But you know that two variables cannot have the same name, so you have to change the name of one of them, or add one in at the back, and or add two at the back. No, we cannot call it sum now. Will you not like to call the sum of it actually sum? If you call one sum, what do you want to now call the one that will actually add it? You cannot think of a variable name. Okay, you can just call one X, call the second one Y, and continue your work. Okay, good. Then the sum of their square roots, you have to do that one on the third line. Before that last line, you need to do something. You need one more line before that line. Do you understand? It's not the sum of X and Y. You need to find the sum of their square roots. Do you get it now?
Okay, sir.
So you need one more line before that. The sum of their square roots. Okay. So you can put, you are free to put S after the root. Then put is. Don't forget your is there. No, I didn't say you should do that too. Go back and type square roots, because it's plural now. There are two square roots involved. So you can put square roots there. Do you understand what I'm saying? After
Yes,
the T in root, you can put S before your is. Faith, you don't seem to understand what I'm saying. You still don't understand what I'm saying. Put S here. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
S, not X. S. S for something. Why did you put a space there? Square roots, thank you. Then you can now put your is. The sum of their square roots is, okay. Now, you see that plus X plus is, you can delete it. Plus X plus is, delete it.
I should delete which one?
Yes, the plus X plus is. Yes. Okay. All right. Now, that place where you have, because your own is different from Favor's own, you have to do that math.sqrt on the line that you will put before this document.write. So you remember, you need one more line before this one. So that's where you put it. So that math.sqrt, delete it too, and put sum there. I think that's the name of your third variable, right? No, I didn't say you should delete the plus, so just delete the math.sqrt. Yes, take everything out except the last parenthesis and the semicolon, except the last parenthesis and the semicolon. Yes. Is that the last parenthesis that you are leaving there? No,
No,
you've taken
sir.
one more. Good.
It should
Okay,
not.
now you can type your sum there, SUM, because that's the name of the third variable.
So that's not the name of my first variable. You said I should write X.
SUM, S for sum. SUM, I didn't say X. Good. Now, the third line before that one, that's where you will now put what is the content of sum. So go ahead. The third line, let's see what you can come up with before you get, no, that's the fourth line. This third line that you're making third line should be the fourth line. So hit delete, go back up. Put your cursor after good. Now you understand what I'm saying. Good. So go ahead. Var sum. Go ahead and tell us what's inside sum. That's your job. Go ahead.
What is inside sum?
Yes. Var sum. Put your var sum and your equals to. There needs to be something inside now. Don't you understand? The calculation for the actual sum of their square roots, there should be something there. What should be that something? What are you thinking about, Faith? Are you seeing what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
That's the first thing you should have there. Then you put your equals to, and then because it's sum of that square root, does it not mean I should find that square root first?
Yes, sir.
So what is the big deal? Find that square root. That's going to be math dot. That math is capital M-O. If you go and put small m here on your own, it will not work. Okay. So is Favor there with you?
Favor. It's coming.
I want her to just see what you are doing so that she too can learn. Because she will learn from her own too.
Can I be playing? Can I play Tom? Play only the Tom. Not allow it to be hot.
Favor, can you see what Faith is doing?
Yes, sir. The
What
square.
can you see?
Just doing the addition of square roots.
Exactly. So can you see how she's doing it? She has to find the square root of the two numbers she asks from the user before, after adding it, she puts it into the variable called sum. And then she now put the answer on the next line.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, Favor, I'm sure you also saw what Treasure did, right?
Yes, sir.
What did Treasure do? Can you summarize what Treasure did?
She wrote our names and she used the eval function
to do
prompt, and she wrote, please enter another number. Please enter race. Then she wrote, please enter Favor. Please enter Faith. Like, instead of writing the number, she wrote our names.
So what actually happened? Let me just quickly explain it. what she actually did was that she asked for the age, for you people's ages, okay? She used your name as the variable, okay, that will accept the age for each person. Then she found their sum, the sum of what the person entered into those variables. So it was just like a program that will find the sum of your ages. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So how many variables do you think she would have needed for that?
She would have need 3.
Are you sure? I think she will need 4. Let me tell you why she will need 4. She will need 1 for each of you. Then she will need some for the 4th one. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Faith, go ahead and finish up your work. You're not done typing, of Faith. You're still on the line where you have some. Mark.sqrt. Okay. All right. So, Faith, are you ready to test your work? All right. So go ahead and test your work. No, test your work. I just say, why are you opening a new tab? You have to save your work first now. Okay, don't forget to change that into all files. Save as type. Now, sorry, wait, Faith, before you click on save. Ah, she has already clicked on save. Let's go and see if the thing will work. If not, we'll have to come and change the name of this file again. Minimize this. Let's see if it will work. Minimize. Let's see if it will work. If it doesn't show as browser, then that's a problem. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I right click and say this thing. Right click and say open with. If it doesn't show well, we have to come and change the name. Okay, nice. Looking good. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Test it. Remember to use numbers that you actually know their square root. Okay. All right. So is that it? The sum of their square roots is 28. What was the first number you chose?
225.
Okay, so that was 15. And the second one was, I think, 169, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's how we got 28. All right. So would you like to change the font family to see how it looks? Because this font family was Favor's choice. So would you like to change the font family?
No, I don't change it.
Okay. All right. So we'll meet again tomorrow. By God's grace. So what time are we meeting tomorrow?
No, don't know.
I think you guys are back from church by 3, right?
Sir?
You're back from church by 3, right?
No, sir. By 11, I back by church.
Okay. All right. If we can meet for 3 o'clock tomorrow, that's fine. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So this code that you guys wrote down, please make sure that everybody writes their own inside their book today. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please, I'm going to ask tomorrow, and I would like to hear that everybody wrote down their own. Then, Faith, before you leave, can you see this place? I keep telling Favor, she keeps forgetting. Can you see this place?
Yes, please.
At the bottom of the screen. Look at what I'm pointing at the bottom of the screen.
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Have you seen that thing? I want you to click
Yes,
on
sir.
it now. Click on it now. So that
Sir,
the thing
but
will make your system to restart. So please click on it.
when we
What?
started, before we
You don't want to
started,
restart it now?
no, when we was trying to restart, doing to that, she really restarted it and our system was not able to come up again.
And the system will come up now. It will just take a while, but it will come up.
No, just 5 minutes. We went ask our daddy. Our daddy was the one that.
Okay, all right, no problem. Don't worry. If it usually gives a problem, no problem. So just tell everybody to write down their code. Okay. All right. Okay. So see you tomorrow.
So